Hey guys, welcome back to the Circleville YouTube channel. For this video, I have 10 amazing Milwaukee deals for you. All 10 of these deals are available on eBay through the CPO eBay store. So the nice thing about that, anything you buy from CPO, whether it's directly on their website or through eBay, will come with the full warranty. I'll put all the links down below, including this link to the whole list of 514 Milwaukee items that are currently on sale. The other thing is they have a few refurbished items, but most of it is new, and I believe all 10, at least I would try to, all 10 of the items are new that I'm going to talk about. And then also, everything should come with free shipping. So our first item is the Milwaukee M12 Compact Inflator with a 2 amp hour battery. I've had this for a little over a year now. At one point we did a video comparing this to the 20 volt DeWalt inflator, and the Milwaukee was better. Better and cheaper, and this one comes with a battery. So $99 and free shipping. There are other retailers that have the exact same model that come with the battery, but I couldn't find anyone with it in stock. So looking at just the inflator, which is what is in stock, Home Depot $99, Amazon currently $96, and then Acme's actually not too bad at $79, but you won't get free shipping there at that price. You'll probably pay $6.49 or something for shipping on top of that. Next up, we have the M12 Fuel Hatchet 6-inch pruning saw. I want one of these so bad. I really want one. It might be the day I pull the trigger. So if we look at see details, we can see the discounted price all the way down to $149. And if we pull up Home Depot, $179, Acme $179, and even CPO through their own website, $179. Kind of interesting, $30 cheaper through their eBay store. Next on the list is the M12 Fuel Compact Cutoff Tool. Let me see details. It is currently $108. At Home Depot, we have it at $139. Through CPO's own website, $139. Tool Barn, $139. And you're a smart group, I'm sure you're seeing the pattern. Northern Tool, $139. The M18 Fuel Framing Nailer, currently $308. Home Depot, $349. Amazon, $389. Tool Nut, $349, and Acme, $349. Here we have the M12 Fuel Hacksaw Reciprocating Saw Kit. So as the kit, as implied with the kit, it comes with the battery, the charger, and the bag. So that's a 4 amp hour battery. You're getting the M12 charger and that fuel bag. Currently $150, and that is the Fuel Hacksaw, $150. We can see on Amazon it is $229, through CPO's own website $179, and Acme Tools $179. Now one thing I did see, I actually made this list not today, so I don't know if I just missed this, which would be very unlike me or what happened, but $179 and a free tool over at Home Depot. So your tool options are the LED light, looks like the ratchet, right angle drill, oscillating tool, or a 6 amp hour battery. So I did add the link to Home Depot to, I'll add it down below. Here we have the M18 Fuel 16-inch chain saw kit. This saw is awesome. I've had it for over a year now, I think. Comes with a big old battery in there. It's the 12 amp hour battery. It's heavy, but it lasts forever. It's great for all the outdoor power equipment stuff. Anyway, you get the whole kit with the 12 amp hour battery, the charger, and the chainsaw for $399. And we can see Home Depot has it for $449. Acme Tools, $449. There's the pattern again. CPO's own website, $449. And Tool Barn, $449. Now let's take a look at a pack out item. The large toolbox, normally at $99.99, but our price now, $69.99. Home Depot, $89.97. Amazon $98.74, Acme Tools $89.97, CPO's website $89.97, Northern Tool $89.97. M18 Fuel Blower Kit. So this one is paired with an 8 amp hour battery, and that's the exact combination I use for all my. I have the 16-inch chainsaw you guys just saw. I have this blower, and then I have the quick lock with the pole saw and string trimmer attachment. So I have those two batteries for those tools, a 12 amp hour and an 8 amp hour. And I burn through the 12, put it on the charger, go on the 8, and then by the time the 8's done, usually I'm ready for a break anyways. But the two put together, they last a long time. So that's what I do, that's what I like. This kit is currently selling for $269.99. That's including that 8 amp hour battery, $269. Home Depot, $299. $257.95 currently on Amazon. I hate when people do this. You know why they do this? Usually, this one doesn't show it, so maybe it was sold out. Usually, if it's a page that has variations, so it has the different tabs or whatever right here, and it'll say 1-pack, 2-pack, 3-pack, that kind of a thing. If people make a new variation and put a dot in front of it, theirs will go to the front. It makes theirs more prominent. So I don't like that there's a dot there. Someone's goofy with the page. Anyways, $257.95 and $299 at Acme Tools. Here we have the M18 Fuel half-inch drill driver, currently $119.73. $139 at Home Depot, $139 at Acme Tools, and a price match at Amazon. M18 Fuel 7-inch, 9-inch large angle grinder. This is tool only. Currently selling for $244.07. We have Home Depot $279, Amazon $288, and Acme Tools $279. So there you have it, guys. 10 amazing deals on Milwaukee tools currently available on eBay. As I said, all the links will be down below if you are interested. I'll also include this link to all 514 items if you want to skim through and see what you can find. Make sure to give the video a like, subscribe for any subscriber, and let me know, do you want more eBay deal videos?